4 best websites you can restore your images like this for free. So the first website we're going to be talking about is Hotpot.ai. So the first thing you're going to be doing is just to tap on the site, and then you upload your image. Then go to your gallery and select the image you want to restore. Then you just tap on it and tap on the image. So after tapping on the image, then you click on has scratch. So you just turn it on, then you click on restore. So the AI is going to automatically restore the scratches and restore the image from scratches and all that. So the next thing you're going to be doing is just to tap on download to download it. Then, but if you are not tap on download, a question satisfied will pop up like with the this. Then you press on non-commercial download. Then when you press on non-commercial download, it's going to automatically download the image you've generated or you've restored to your memory. So then next thing you're going to be doing is, if you are not satisfied with the result, you can change the colorization factor to 15. So you change the colorization factor to 15, then the size to either full or just, you can leave it at limited, you can take it to full to actually experiment to see how good it is. So you just press on limited, because the full version is going to need a bit of credit. So just use the limited, but you can change the colorization to 15. Then wait for the result, then go down a bit. You are going to be seeing how it's going to colorize your image, how it has colorized your image, sorry. Then you press on non-commercial as usual. Then you open your image to see how the AI has colorized your image. So the next thing you're going to be doing is you're going to just save it, and then you can just experiment with the colorization factor. You can take it to wherever size you prefer. So this is the how this website works. So just make sure you experiment and enjoy the website. So the next website I'm going to be talking about is Wondershare Repairit. So Wondershare Repairit allows you to restore your image as well. So just tap on the link in the bio to access all these websites. You can just tap on it, then it's going to take you to the interface of the website like this. Then the next thing you're going to be doing is just to tap on upload image. When you tap on upload image, it's going to redirect you to your gallery. Then you go to your gallery and import the old picture you want to restore. So then you just tap on the old picture you want to restore, then you tap on start. So when you tap on start, the AI is going to analyze the image and is going to restore it for you. So just be patient and exercise patience. It's going to remove the scratches and do everything for you. So just calm down. It's going to take a little bit of time, but just make sure you calm down. Then it's going to bring out like 4 results for you to download. So just check whatever result that you prefer, then you click on download. But sometimes it will require you to log in before you download all those results. So but there is a way you can actually go about it. You can just tap on the image and press on the image, then it's going to bring out an option for download. Then you just click on download and download it directly to your gallery. So this is actually just a tip on how to bypass logging in the website. So yeah, this is practically how it works. So just do well to enjoy this website as well, and experiment on whatever thing you want to experiment. Just use your old images, then restore it back. Although it's not perfect, but yeah, you can use it. So the next website we are going to be talking about is photo.com. So the photo.com website is actually just similar as the other ones. So you just click on restore photo now. Don't log in. You mustn't log in. You can just click on restore photo now, then it's going to redirect you to your gallery. Go and select the old image you want to restore on your gallery, then just tap on it. Then after you've selected the image, and you just tap, there's going to be an art, so don't worry, just wait a bit, then you click on start to start your restoration. So just be patient with all these apps. Sometimes they come with ads, most especially when you download their apps. It comes with a lot of ads, so you need to be actually um you need to be yeah, you need to be patient. You can see how it has restored this particular image from the scratches and all that, but it has done a great job, but it needs more editing and all that. So you can use a third party app like Photoshop to actually clean up and edit and recolorize again. So you get, so that this is just like a nice way to save up time from manually editing and restoring your image on Photoshop. And the beauty of photo.com is you can actually use a lot of AI features on the site to edit your image. You can adjust, you can add filter, you can do whatever thing you want to do on the website. It's just like a photo editor, but it's incorporated with AI. So just make sure, just feel free to enjoy whatever thing that the app gives you. So you just make sure you enjoy and experiment on whatever feature you want to experiment. So yeah, so the next website I'm going to be talking about is Remini. I already have the app on my phone, so there's no need of using the website. So let me just explain how Remini works. So just tap on the image you want to restore. But the one thing with Remini is you can only enhance, you can't remove scratch. So I don't know, initially there's an old version of Remini app that removes scratch, but if you update the new version it can't be able to remove scratch. So I don't know why, but yeah, it can only enhance your image, but it can't remove scratch. So you can colorize as well, you can remove background, you can also beautify the face, but you can't remove scratch. So the only tip I'm going to be telling you is the only um way you can go about this is you use the other website I introduced you guys to remove the scratch. Then you use Remini to enhance, because Remini is actually nice, it's actually good at enhancing photos. So you can see how it has enhanced this photo. So I'll just advise you to use the other third party websites to remove your scratch. Then yeah, then you bring it back to Remini to enhance the photo. Then you can colorize the photo on other third-party app as well, because the colorization feature on Remini is not really that good. So yeah, you can also colorize on Autodesk Sketchbook. I'm going to make a tutorial regards to that. For instance, now we've colorized on other websites. The only thing we're going to be doing is we are going to be enhancing it um on Remini. You can see how Remini has enhanced this photo from the initial way it is to how it is now. So you can see the huge difference from how it was and how it is now. So you can click on the colors feature. It's going to like rearrange the color and give it a nice tone. So you can only use the normal light feature. You can't use the pro feature. But for those who are already subscribed to Remini, you can enjoy the pro feature as well. So you can tap on background enhancer, you can tap on the face beautifier to actually beautify the background and the face as well. So yeah, this is a nice way to use both of the apps or both of the websites to achieve your photo restoration. So if you have any question, just drop it down below, let me know in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime I release a new video. So you can see this is a great way and a nice way and a fast way to save your time. Instead of going to Photoshop to actually restore your image, you can just use those two websites. You can use the three if you want to restore your image as fast as possible. So let's use another image and restore our colors. So we are going to be using this image. You can see how less lively it is. You can see how moody it is, but you can see if you use your Remini to enhance it, you can see a huge difference. It has enhanced the skin, it has enhanced the whole color and all that. You can also add color to the grayscale of the neck. You can see that there's no color on the neck section, so you can import it to your Autodesk, then you add a color to it. I'm going to make tutorial regards to it. If you are interested, just let me know in the comment section. I'm going to make tutorials on how to add color to your image, so you can actually colorize your image on Autodesk Sketchbook. So this is a nice way to enhance and as well colorize your image on Remini. So if you are interested in more tutorials like this, give it a thumbs up. See you in my next video.